Anchor Joe Gorcho continues our live breaking news coverage now. And Joe, you're there on South Gordon Street in Southwest Atlanta where a tree fell right behind you.
And Blair, Georgia Power has now arrived on scene. First, you see the tree that snapped earlier this afternoon, landing on power lines, creating the situation where residents in this neighborhood are now without power. And if we just pan to the left, you see Georgia Power is now here evaluating the situation to figure out how they're going to begin to restore power to this area after this big tree snapped and fell. I spoke with a person who lives at this home where the tree came down. He said he was driving back home from work, got onto this street, and then boom, heard the snap and the tree fell forward. Luckily, he tells me that no one was hurt. We don't believe any property was damaged, but again, a little too early to assess. And then his next door neighbor was telling me that her kids were startled. They jumped when they heard the tree snap and fell forward. But again, you can just see some of the damage here. And a short ways away, I believe we have this video on Chapel and Peters Street. We saw some street flooding, and there were police there trying to discourage people from driving through the waters. But listen, people are going to do what they want to do, and we saw a driver going through it. You could kind of see the water coming back up, circling into his engine, pushing up in. And we heard some interesting noises coming from the car as they were driving through. Just a good reminder in these situations, when storms roll through and you see water on the streets, probably best advice not to be driving through water on streets that you really can't tell the depth of, especially when you see police there trying to discourage you from driving through. But again, this is a situation here on South Gordon Street, West Atlanta, where we see, again, the tree has fallen down. As of right now, we don't believe anybody was injured in this or property was damaged, but certainly this neighborhood in the dark tonight after a storm rolled through. Blair, Carly, back to you.
We know a long night ahead there, Joe. Thank you. And Atlanta News First, Alani Latang continuing our live breaking coverage. Alani, you are also in Southwest Atlanta near Athens and Deckner Avenues, and there's a tree on a home there.
That's right, Carly. We're on Athens Street right now, and even coming into the neighborhood in Southwest Atlanta, we saw a lot of branches, a lot of limbs that are down. Let me show you the tree on the house right here. It's hard to assess the damage on the house right now, but we do know that it didn't knock down any power lines so far that we've seen. The lights are still on many homes, but you can see several branches are split, and now on top of that home that you see right there, branches spread out on their lawn too. But I want you also to take a look down the street too. You can just sort of see the wind and the rain and the storm that came through here with just the amount of tree limbs that are down and branches and leaves that are down. We spoke to a woman here who says that she was someone in the neighborhood. They said that they were fine, and they pointed us to this house here on the tree. We're going to show you that one more time here. Again, hard to assess the damage there, but we haven't heard of any injuries, fortunately, so that is good news here. It's unclear if that person is home right now. It's a little late, so too late for us to knock on the door, but again, we're not hearing any injuries. The power is still on, so good news here in Southwest Atlanta, but a lot to clean up in the morning once everything dries out here. But we're going to be sticking around to make sure that we have any latest updates, and then we'll make sure to pass those along for you as well. But for now, we're live in Southwest Atlanta. I'm Alani Latang, Atlanta News First.
Thank you, Alani. And the Atlanta News First app is one way you can potentially stay ahead of this severe weather. Go ahead and download it ahead of tomorrow's First Alert Weather Day. That way you can get updates if storms start to turn severe.
And tonight, 2 p.m.